Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Dreambaby baby gate, the Dreambaby Liberty Walk-Through Baby Safety Gate Set. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use safety gate for your little one, this product might just be the perfect fit. The Dreambaby Liberty Gate is designed to fit openings from 29.5 to 36.5 inches wide, thanks to its included 3.5-inch extension panel. If your doorway or hallway is larger, additional extensions can be purchased separately to fit openings up to 54 inches. This flexibility makes it ideal for various spaces in your home, whether it's a doorway, hallway, or even the top or bottom of stairs. One of the standout features of this gate is its pressure-mounted installation. This means no drilling is required, making it a great option for renters or anyone who wants a fuss-free setup without damaging walls. For added safety on stairs, the gate comes with hardware mounts and wall cups that must be installed with screws to ensure stability. Measuring 30 inches tall, the gate provides a secure barrier to keep your child or pet safely contained. Its metal construction is both sturdy and durable, offering peace of mind for active toddlers or energetic dogs. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that blends well with most home decors. Functionality is a key focus here. The gate offers a one-handed operation, which is perfect for parents juggling a child or groceries. You can easily open and close the gate with just one hand. It also features a double locking mechanism for extra security, preventing little ones from opening it accidentally. Another practical addition is the Smart Stay Open feature. When you need to move freely through the gate, perhaps when your hands are full, you can swing the door into a stay open position so it remains wide open until you decide to close it. This is a simple but thoughtful design touch that adds convenience to your daily routine. Installation is straightforward and requires no tools for the pressure-mounted setup, although you will need a screwdriver if you're using it at the top or bottom of stairs to fix the wall cups. The package includes everything you need to get it up and running quickly. Overall, the Dreambaby Liberty Walk-Through Baby Safety Gate offers a combination of safety, convenience, and stylish design. It's versatile enough for various openings, sturdy enough to handle active children and pets, and user-friendly with its one-handed operation and stay-open option. If you're in the market for a baby gate that balances safety and ease of use, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.